service to transform your home. Imagine walking into a home that's dust-free, floors shining, and bathrooms gleaming. Our residential cleaning service is perfect for spaces between 1,000 and 5,000 square feet. We price by the room so you get just what you need. Our expert team will dust every surface, vacuum and mop your floors, scrub and sanitize your bathrooms, and make your kitchen sparkle. We even take out the trash and replace the liners, plus a little light organizing and tidying to make everything just right. No more stress about cleaning. Let us turn your home into a spotless sanctuary. Custom pricing, tailored to your space. Ready for a fresh start? Book your first cleaning today. Your home, our passion, let's make it shine. We also take care of those small details that make a big difference. From dusting ceiling fans to wiping down light fixtures, we ensure every corner of your home is spotless. We even move furniture to clean those hard-to-reach areas. And we don't forget about high-touch areas like doorknobs and light switches. Enjoy a healthier, cleaner home environment for you and your family. Our team is dedicated to making your home shine. We leave your home spotless and ready for you to enjoy. Breathe easy, knowing your home is in good hands. We follow a detailed checklist to ensure nothing is missed. Satisfaction guaranteed with every clean. Transform your home with our custom cleaning services today. We even take care of baseboards and blinds, ensuring every detail is perfect. From fluffing pillows to arranging magazines, we make sure your home looks its best. We also clean kitchen appliances and organize your pantry. Dusting bookshelves and arranging books, we leave no stone unturned. We even take care of baseboards and blinds, ensuring every detail is perfect. From fluffing pillows to arranging magazines, we make sure your home looks its best.